Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Dispozabag urine collection is probably one of the most innovative products I've come across in a while. If you're someone who values convenience, discretion, and hygiene, then you're in for a treat. This video is all about exploring the features, benefits, and real-world applications of this fantastic product. We'll dive deep into what makes it stand out from the crowd and why it might just be the perfect solution for your needs. Number 5. AZO UTI Test Strips 3 Count. Are you experiencing symptoms of a UTI? This test strip provides accurate results in just 2 minutes. It's a convenient way to get answers quickly. This is the same type of test many doctors use. It measures 2 key indicators of a UTI, offering reliable results you can trust. It's a simple and effective way to monitor your urinary health. Using the test is simple and sanitary. Just hold the strip vertically to read the results. It's designed for easy at-home use, giving you peace of mind. Get reliable, over-the-counter UTI results at home. The test provides accurate information, allowing you to take appropriate action. You can trust the results. These test strips offer quick results. This product, along with other urinary health products, can help cleanse and protect the urinary tract. It's a simple solution for your health needs. What we like. This product provides quick and reliable results. It's also clinically tested, ensuring you get trustworthy information. If you're experiencing symptoms and want to know if you have a UTI without a doctor's visit, this is a great option. What people say. The product is easy to use. The bag is easy to store. The product is well designed. Number 4. Glow-in-the-dark male urinal, 2 bottles. Introducing the portable urinal for men. This is designed for instant relief whether at home or on the go. It's perfect for travel, camping, hospitals, and emergencies. The translucent lid glows in the dark, making it easy to find in low-light conditions. This feature ensures convenience and ease of use, even at night. These durable plastic bottles can hold up to 32 ounces of liquid. The removable lid helps to prevent odors, ensuring a more pleasant experience. The bottle features an easy-to-grip handle for maximum stability. This design helps to prevent spills while using or emptying the bottle. Order yours today and experience the convenience and peace of mind. This is a must-have for anyone needing a reliable and portable solution. What we like. This is a portable solution for men, perfect for various situations. The glow-in-the-dark lid makes it easy to find in the dark. If you are a traveler, camper, or someone with limited mobility, this product offers a discreet and practical solution. What people say. Clear, sturdy, and good quality for the price. Quality. Very helpful. The container is plenty big for a good amount of liquid. Number 3. CheckUp People Dog Urine Collection Kit. This innovative kit simplifies dog urine collection. It's a new, do-it-yourself approach to collecting samples at home for easy testing. The telescopic pole allows you to collect samples from a safe distance. It's easy to use and store after use, making the process convenient. Collecting your dog's urine has never been easier. This non-invasive method helps you keep a check on your dog's health without any stress. Unlike other products, this kit includes detachable cups for easy transport. You can keep the sample secure and take it to the vet when you're ready. For smaller females, use the lid as a receptacle. It works with all dog sizes and breeds, ensuring a hassle-free experience for everyone. Take it with you on walks, and you're good to go. Let your dog do its thing, and you'll have the sample ready in no time. What we like. This innovative product simplifies dog urine collection. The telescopic pole allows for easy and safe sample collection. The detachable cups make transport simple. If you want to monitor your dog's health at home, this is a convenient and stress-free method. What people say. This product has made it easy to collect a urine sample for drop-off to the vet. It works well, has a great design and great value for what you get in a package. Easy to use and most importantly, accurate. The test results showed negative for everything except for protein in his urine, which hinted at a kidney condition. I called the vet and my Aussie had a urinalysis done the next day at the vet's office. The vet's results and this at-home test were the same. Number 2. Medi-First Antiseptic Skin Towelette 21471. This is an antiseptic skin towelette. It helps prevent infection in minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. The towelette is designed to clean the skin. It is perfect for treating minor injuries and keeping them clean. Use this towelette to clean the affected area. It helps to keep the wound clean and free from infection. This towelette is convenient for cleaning. You can use it on your face, hands, or body without needing soap or water. Each towelette comes in an individual packet. This makes it easy to carry around and use whenever you need it. What we like. This is a handy antiseptic towelette for minor injuries. It prevents infection in cuts and scrapes. If you need to clean a wound on the go, this is a convenient and effective solution. What people say. They're easy to use, come individually wrapped, and feel effective for cleaning minor cuts and scrapes. They are moist, heavy-duty and large enough to do the job. They are large and have plenty of wetness. Number 1. TravelJohn TJ1NC, Portable Urinal Bags. Are you planning a road trip? This is a must-have for families. It provides a safe and convenient solution for everyone on the go. Each bag features a Lixor pouch that quickly turns liquid into a spill-proof gel. It eliminates odors and ensures hygiene, no matter where you are. This unisex design is suitable for men, women, and children. It can be used standing or sitting, with a spill guard to prevent backflow. It holds up to 28 ounces and can be reused. The puncture-proof Lixor technology guarantees that nothing will leak, even if the bag is torn. It offers complete protection and peace of mind during your travels. For over 25 years, this product has been helping people. It's a trusted solution for camping, travel, and family emergencies worldwide, so you don't have to hold it in. What we like. This product offers a convenient and hygienic solution for on-the-go relief. It features a resealable design for safer storage and reuse. The odorless and leak-proof technology ensures a mess-free experience. If you are planning a road trip or outdoor adventure, this is a must-have for emergencies. What people say. The product contains the urine without fear of spill, eliminates the odor, and I was able to put it in a grocery bag and tuck it under the seat until I arrived home to toss it into the garbage. They are easy to use and hold a lot. Just roll it down and throw it away when finished. No smell and no leakage. The fact that it's resealable is a huge bonus, no spills or messes to worry about. And the best part? It's designed for all genders and ages, so everyone in the family can use it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.